I'm going to be showing you how to make a high bun. You need one of these spongy bun makers, and you have to get one that's equivalent to how much hair you have. The more hair you have, like me, the larger the bun maker should be. So I have the biggest one. You need a high ponytail like the one I have. I took it out to show you how I did it. These hairbands are made for thick hair, and I double them up. So I take two and I link them together. And I suggest this for anyone who has long, thick hair like me that doesn't want to feel weighed down. The easiest way I find to put my hair up in a ponytail is to do it in sections, especially if you've got a lot of hair. So it takes patience and time to smooth it out as you're lifting the sections into one. Now you want to take your hairbrush and make sure everything is smooth and clean and neat as possible. To get the perfect angle, I go in the same direction as my jawline. I find this position to be the most attractive because it's not too low and it's not too forward over your head. Now take your hair donut bun maker and pull your hair through. Now this part may take you a couple of tries to get used to, but just try different directions and wrap your hair around the donut until you like the way it looks. Once you get to the end, twist your hair and tuck it underneath the bun. And that's when you want to grab hairpins. I have Magic Grip hairpins that are made for thick hair. They are amazing and I highly recommend them. Now you want to take these pins and secure them in any place where hair is a bit loose, and just make sure that everything is taut and secure. The wonderful thing about these hairpins is that you don't use nearly as many. For normal day-to-day activities, I can get around using around 2 or 3, and for dance, I'll use about 5 or 6. Now I'm taking my most elaborate tika because it goes with my earrings. Finally, the look is all pulled together and finished. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want other hair tutorials, please leave a comment below, and I hope you all have a great day. See you in my next video.